Hi, it's Stuart here again with another video in our AlloyGator docu-series. Last time we looked at how we assess if AlloyGators will fit your particular wheel and mentioned that there are some additional considerations to take into account if your wheels are diamond turned or diamond cut. First of all, we'll clarify what we mean by diamond turned. This is when all of the wheel is first painted in a colour like silver or grey or black, and then they're put onto a lathe which takes off layers of paint and metal to leave a very shiny surface like the metal has been polished. The wheel is then lacquered to add a protective layer to the painted and diamond turned finish of the wheel. You can check if they're diamond turned, as if you look very closely you'll see very fine lines running in concentric circles from the centre outwards. Now if your wheels are diamond turned, because the lacquer is directly on the metal turned surface, they're more susceptible to damage with or without AlloyGators fitted. Now I'll just read the official stance from AlloyGator, the manufacturer, on what they say, and then I'll explain our thoughts. Our product is not recommended for machine polished or diamond cut alloy wheels. Although fitting the product will provide superior protection against curb damage, if there are existing imperfections in the lacquered wheel surface, it may increase the risk of moisture retention and accelerate wheel lacquer degradation. Providing there is no minute damage to the wheel surface, fitting AlloyGator wheel rim protectors will not cause damage on its own. However, AlloyGator Limited and Ace Car Care Limited accepts no liability if the product, when fitted, causes such damage. Despite this, we have many customers with machine polished wheels who choose to use AlloyGators. Many customers prefer to re-lacquer the wheels should the need arise than go to the far more costly and inconvenient trouble of removing the wheels and having them recut and repaired due to damage caused by curb or pothole impact without AlloyGator protection. Now that's the official statement from AlloyGator, and to interpret that for you from our experience, fitting the gators can sometimes cause damage to the surface of the wheel where the AlloyGator actually touches the lacquer, which is less durable because it's applied directly onto bare metal, in other words the diamond turned part of the wheel. Now this isn't always the case, but it can happen. What if you have to decide is whether it's better to have the protection offered by the AlloyGator rather than have the very costly and time consuming repair if you scraped the wheel and didn't have AlloyGators there. Just to give you an idea of what the costs are of repairing a diamond turned wheel, it's around about 3 to 4 times the cost of replacing an AlloyGator, and also this type of repair would take us 5 days to do that, whereas replacing an AlloyGator can be done in just a couple of hours. So there's a few things to consider. In the next video we'll talk about replacing single AlloyGators. So I'll see you on the next one, and bye for now.